Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to fix the issue of the Riso when it shows H101. So that simply means it does not recognize the toner you put into the machine. So here we have another toner, but it's empty. So you can see that this is what it senses. You get me? So this is empty completely, but there is this one which I have here, the chip. You can see that chip is not recognized, but the toner you can see is almost half. To show you that what I'm talking about is 100% fine, I'm going to put in a different toner. I close. Still give me that, but if I switch off the machine, I'm going to switch off the machine. I took it out of power. Put it back. I'm going to tell the machine to give me maybe 3 copies on that empty stuff. So this it gave me trouble because of what? Also that toner is empty, but anyway, this is not recognized. So I made a copy from the old toner. You can see. I wonder if I change the chip, it can give me that chance. Let me see. This one is completely set to 31. I'm saying 31. See, I'm gonna make copies. You can see it's making copy. Fingers, you can see it's making copy, right? So it made copies. So now what we have here is the papers. We don't have papers. Can I get papers? You can see that the chip, if you have any chance to change the chip using the old, let me try to, I'm gonna put papers. Okay, I put copies already. Put papers. I'm gonna continue. Open, close. Also it did what? Completely got finished that toner, but anyway, you've seen. Let me try to take off. Sometimes you take it out of power, you give it a new toner. I'm gonna give 2 copies, or no, it will gonna be a waste. Let me give it. It did recognize that I'm trying to rob it. But anyway, you saw me making copies using an empty toner, right? Okay, so what you're gonna do, change the toner or change this chip. I'm gonna try to change it. If I don't win, there's no stress, but as long as you've seen what's going on. So I've taken out the empty. This I've been using this empty. Let me see if I can take out that chip. Yes, I managed to take out the chip. See, this is the chip. I took it off from this toner. So I wanna take out that one, then I put it here. Then I see if it's gonna work for us. I'm one person here, so it's gonna be difficult for you to see everything. Okay. Can you take out this chip for me? Okay, you can. But so look, we're gonna take out this. You can see I'm taking out this chip, which is not recognized. So I'm trying to put on this chip here. Exactly where it was. This one. This is the new chip, so I'm trying to put it here, and I see if it's gonna be recognized. If they do recognize it, we're gonna be winners. Okay. Yes, done with that. So I'm gonna insert into the machine. Okay. After inserting that, you close. If it still gives you that, what you do, you take out the power first to see if it's gonna work. So take it out power, maybe 5 minutes, then back, put it back. Then if it comes like this, let me try to set 20, then I try to copy. I'll try to copy, yes. Wow, guys, you can see we made copies. So happy. So it's our first time to experiment this, and it worked 100%. So I just changed the chip. Now I'm making copies. So it was not recognizing this chip. So I'm pretty happy, very happy, guys. I'm done. Well, everything is 100%. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. So this old toner, I'm gonna throw it, but it helped me. Sometimes it's not good to throw things away. So the old toner helped me, and I use it to change and make copies. You can see now I have my copies 100% fine. So we can make other bunch of copies. So we'll be now using this machine, the 4054. When that one's down, but everything is fine. Can you give me some job? Okay, there's no job, any job, but everything is done well. Guys, that's the only trick. But if you have money, you can buy a new toner. If you don't have money, every time when you make it, when you have a toner, don't throw it away. Just keep it. It's gonna help you one day. So I just used this trick, then it worked. Who knows? So this is something I've just done today. I've never done this before. So there's work, new work. This work. We're gonna make. Okay, we're gonna make other copies, guys. We're gonna make. Yeah, no. Okay. Okay, we're gonna make 50 copies now. Okay, I gave you those copies. Okay, 50. So it's creating a new master. So once the new master is created, you're gonna see it's gonna make copies. You can see it made the first copy, so it's gonna tell you to make other copies. Done. You can press OK. Good. So it's gonna make these copies in less than a minute. Done. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe. That's the way we fix this. Okay, done.